Hey everybody, as always, I hope you're doing well out there. Today I'm going to be doing a quick video to show you how the Relax app on your Fitbit Inspire 2 works. So what exactly is the Relax app? It's basically an app that gives you personalized breathing sessions so you can relax throughout your day. And it's pretty common on most activity trackers. They all work a little bit different. This one gives you two different options. I'm going to go and I'm going to show you. Let's go to it. I can either do a 2-minute session or I can do a 5-minute session. There's no options other than that. I'm gonna go ahead and start a 2-minute session. I'm gonna warn you, this is gonna be a pretty boring video because for 2 minutes, you're basically gonna sit there and watch the screen while I'm supposed to be breathing. But I did wanna show it just in case there's somebody out there who's debating buying this and the Relax app is something that they're interested in, they can see exactly how this works. The first part of it is it's going to be sensing my breathing. Once it knows that, then it's gonna start and I'm supposed to sit there and breathe. I might speed up. We'll see how bad the video is. Maybe I'll just leave it. Just know that once it starts, if you're bored with it, scroll through the end of the video, and then at the end of the video, I'm going to show a screen that shows once it finishes. At the end of the breathing exercise, it's going to give you a summary that shows your alignment, how well you followed the breathing prompt, your heart rate at the beginning of the session as well as at the end of the session, and then the number of days in a row that you've completed breathing sessions for the week. So right now it's telling me to breathe. I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to let you watch this again. If you're bored with it, fast forward to the end where you can see the conclusion of the Relax app. Okay, so now I'm done. It tells me that I'm all done. And in a second, I should get a screen that shows me how well I did. And that's what we've got. You can see up here is my alignment. I did medium as far as alignment goes. I can look at my heart rate. So 80 to 78. I started at 80, went down to 78 at the end of the session. And then the number of days that I've done this, which is just 1. And then once I'm done, I can close it, and I've successfully completed the Relax app on the Fitbit Inspire 2. Kind of a boring video, I know, but at least you know how the Relax app works. As always, if you've got any questions, post them in the comments. I'd be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.